Oh my gosh, this laptop is useless. Like, can I shut it? Oh my gosh. Forget the laptop. I think you just broke it. Did you just step on my glasses? Yeah, because you stepped on my laptop, and Mom told me to be nonchalant. So that's what I'm trying to do. That's not nonchalant. That is you breaking my glasses. Oh, whoa. It's a monkey? Hey, it looks like you. That is me. I mean, but it kind of does. And he's cute. And he's friendly, too. Oh, yeah. What a hat. That's not a hat. It's a helmet. Is that what I think it is? Ow! That was fun. Ow. That was fun. We should go off an adventure. I think Mom told us not to get lost. Forget about Mom's rules. Let's just go. And let me get my glasses. I look bald with this on. I'm taking it off. Alright, let's go. If we get lost, it's not my fault. Well, I already told Mom that if I get lost, it's not my fault, so it won't be yours either. Okay, bet, let's go. Wow, in the jungles, it's really dark. Not here! Is that food? I'm so going to it. Is that? What'd you call me? I'm gonna tell Mom. You better not. I mean, hi, mean. Oh, Kayla. What? Look at the big castle. Oh my God. Is that not cool? No, it's not. Hey, come and get groovy, y'all. Now. Oh, hey, little kid. Hi. Ow! My sandcastle. Hey, no bullying. And who said you could tell me what to do? I did. Now stop it, Jacob, or else I'm literally gonna tell Mom. So mean. Well, this is kind of cool. It's a little dirty, but I kind of like it. Not gonna lie. What the heck? Ew. What's that noise? Oh, it's a boat with a flare on it. Ew, I don't want that. And the island. Hi, sir. What are you doing? Oh, help me. I'm starving to death. What kind of Halloween costume is that? It's not Halloween. It's just must. I've been here for years. I'm 55. I've been here for 20 years. Help me. So you have been here since you're 35? Yes. Please help. I don't know how to swim. I can see you. No, you can't. I literally can see you. No, you can't. I can't swim. I'm just gonna go drown myself, okay? I don't know what that dude wants. He's scaring me. Hey, I thought I told you to be nice to that kid. I was, and then he said, no, you're a meanie, and ran away, so. I'm sure I can say that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, having fun with this one. You wanna go get in it? What do you mean? Ah! I just dropped him in the. Ooh, dude, what's this? Is that music? Oh yeah, get juggy with that. Oh my gosh. You know what we should do? What do you want? We should go somewhere and like run away from home. What do you mean? We should like start a life or whatever. You know, we're at that age. I am 17. We're not at that age. And how old are you? I forgot your birthday. I'm 14. What do you mean you forgot my birthday? gosh, whatever. I'm not gonna do this, Jake. You're so mean. I'm mean? Yeah. Kayla and Anderson, stop. Jacob, I don't know your middle name. How do you not know my middle name? It's so easy. Because why would I know your middle name? Why do you know my middle name? Because it's Anne. Everyone has that middle name. I guess. But what's your middle name? Jacob Lee Anderson. I've been telling you this. I've been telling you this. Okay, I don't care. But you just made a huge deal. Okay. But my question is, what are we gonna do? What do you mean? Like, whenever we go off to go do stuff, like start our lives, what are we gonna go do? Like, where are we gonna go? Is that a bubble gum? Yeah. Ow, it burns. Just because I have glasses on doesn't mean anything. Oh, gosh. Stop. Do it to the little kid. You told me not to bully. Well, right now it's fine. Yeah. Get away from my son. Oh, chat. Oh, you were asleep. And aren't you the one who stole my sandwich? How do you know that? That crab told me. Shut the frick up, crab. Ah! Oh, okay. I don't know him. Let's get out of here, Jake. Oh my gosh, okay.